Hey guys. So in this video, I wanted to go over a plugin that I use for ZBrush, which allows for custom navigation. So if you're coming from another program, if you learned Maya or Max or Blender first, and then you're coming to ZBrush to learn, you might have some trouble with the way the navigation is set up. So I think that in a lot of the other 3D modeling programs, the navigation is all relatively the same. It's like holding down Alt and then using the middle left and right mouse clicks to navigate around, and allowing the scroll wheel to zoom in and out is really nice as well. You get used to it. It becomes muscle memory, navigating. At this point, I don't ever really think about what clicks I'm making to navigate around my model. Or, on the other side, you might be coming to ZBrush and you just don't like the way the navigation is set up and you want to make it custom. Well, this plugin allows you to mimic the other 3D modeling software's navigation and make your own custom setup. Okay, so the way to find this plugin is it's in the middle of a forum thread on ZBrush Central, and I think if you just search for a middle mouse plugin for ZBrush, you'll find the link on Google or something to this page. But depending on what version of ZBrush you have, you might have to scroll through this whole thing. If you have the latest version of ZBrush, I think you can just go to the end here, and the latest version will be available somewhere. Alright, so if you scroll to the end, as of this recording, and then scroll up a little bit, this is the latest link with the latest fixes for ZBrush 2021. So you download this, and I think it's 2 files, and you just throw them in your whatever version of ZBrush you're using in the Z Startup ZPlugs 64 folder, and then it'll automatically start every time you load up ZBrush. And if you look in your Z plugins, it will be available here, and you can turn it on and off with this enable button. I actually have it in my custom UI here, just in case I want to turn this off, because when I'm using a tablet, usually I use the standard ZBrush navigation style. But I'll just show you, here's the presets. There's 3ds Max, Blender, and then custom, which is what I use. And this is how I have the shortcuts set up. So I'm mainly a Maya user, so this I think was the closest I could get it with the way this is set up. And it's been a huge help, and it's made navigation feel a lot more natural for me coming from Maya. I'm sure that if I had started with ZBrush, I'd probably be used to that navigation and wouldn't think twice about it, but this has been super helpful for me. And it's nice to have the middle mouse scroll and the custom keys assigned the way I like. There's an Ask ZBrush video about how to assign the scroll wheel for zooming in and out, and I think it's up here under, not draw, it's under document, and then you just assign custom keys for scrolling in and out with these buttons here. That'll work if you're only interested in the scrolling, the middle mouse scrolling, but this plugin, well, makes it a little bit easier to do that, as well as customize pan, rotate, scale, and constrain to a 90-degree angle. So that's pretty much it for this one. Just a short one going over this super useful plugin. I think a lot of people know about this. I mean, this forum has been around for many, many iterations of ZBrush. And thank you to the author who keeps updating it for each version, new version of ZBrush. And hopefully this was helpful for you. If you have any questions about anything I went over, how to install this, or how to set it up for whatever software, let me know down below in the comments. That's going to wrap it up for this one. Thank you for watching. Leave me a like, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Thank you.